Elberton, Georgia, Elbert County. What, 12:15? Sunday, the 18th of August, 2024. High 70s, low 80s, 11:38. Going to about 92, down to about 68 tonight. Let's see, I did a little demographic work. Population of Elberton, the city, 4789. The county, Elbert, 19,814. That's in 2022. The elevation of the city is 702 feet above sea level. Square area is 4.8 square miles. Incorporated as a town in 1803 and as a city in 1896. We're going to walk first, and then we're going to drag the bike out and we'll ride the bike. I know nothing about Elberton, the streets, the roads, anything. We're going to walk the square and go from there. The police just have come around the corner, two of them, turned the blue light on right there, went down the side. Don't know what that's about. We'll look down there and see if we see anything. Hopefully we've got the angle of the cameras correct, horizontally and vertically. The Insta360 will be up above us and back behind us, so you won't be able to hear me talk with it. I have a feeling this involves something with maybe a homeless person, but I'm just guessing at that. That looks like what it may be. Could be wrong. That's for sure. I'm wrong a lot. I give out a lot of bad information, folks. See if we can find a cornerstone on that old courthouse over there. As y'all probably know by now, I'm a nut for cornerstones and bridge dates. North 1772, west 72. East Georgia 72 and 17. Tina's fine diamonds and jewelry over there. I bet she will fix you up. Cornerstone, there it is. Let's see when it was placed. Elbert County. Created from Wilkes County by act of December 10th, my birthday, 1790. Elbert County was settled in 1784. General George Matthews and a group from Virginia and Carolina. The site of Petersburg, the original settlement and third largest town in Georgia in the day, is covered by the Clark Hill Reservoir. Nancy Hart, celebrated Revolutionary patriot, lived in this county. I'll let y'all read the rest of that. Old Post Road. This road is older than Elberton. Mail was carried over it by post riders before Falling Creek Church was built in 1788, and during Washington's administration later a coach ran between Elberton and Lexington 3 times a week. I wonder where the old jail is. Would that be it? Some kind of museum. A lot of these old towns have a very interesting jail, like Greensboro yesterday. We don't have that video up yet, but we've got to get it up. Jasper got a museum. The old jail still has the gallows in it. Grave of General Wiley Thompson. Ablest and most humane of the agents of the Seminole Indians of Florida, was ambushed and killed near the agency in Fort King, Florida, December 28, 1835, by Ocella and a band of warriors who opposed removal to the west. I think the Seminoles, y'all check me out, I think the Seminoles are the only tribe that haven't formally signed a peace treaty, aren't they? Okay, there's no good. There's not a date on it. What good is that? Okay, come around the side. Laid by Grand Lodge of Georgia, J.P. Shannon, C.W. 1894. There you go. 1894, folks. There we go. We're gonna, like I said, we're gonna walk the square, then we'll get the bike out. We'll go down some of the side streets with the bike. So we'll have Insta360 video, we'll have GoPro Black 10 video on a walk and a bike ride. Still got the blue light special going down there. Okay, let's turn these off, drag the bike out.